About Orthodox toys and products we make. Welcome to Orthodox Toys, our heartfelt family endeavor based in British Columbia, Canada. Our mission is to engage in missionary work and educational outreach through our creative and inspiring toys, icons, do-it-yourself kits, focused on promoting a deep understanding and appreciation of the Orthodox Christian faith, history, and our church tradition. Our journey began in January 2019 as a hobby to create a special wooden toy for our youngest daughter to learn about the Orthodox Church building. With divine help and dedication, the project evolved, and by August 2019, the first prototype was born. Driven by our faith and passion for education, we decided to expand our efforts beyond our family. We envisioned a unique wooden block toy that children could use to construct an Orthodox church, while also learning about its essential elements and the significance they hold in our faith. With the guidance of our beloved priest father, Lawrence Farley, we started crafting informative and accessible materials to explain the Orthodox Church, the liturgy, and faith to parents and kids alike. Choosing Canadian red cedar wood for its beauty and durability, we completed the set's design by the end of 2019 and shared 15 sets with our friends. Witnessing the positive impact on our community, we sought Father Lawrence's blessing and launched an Etsy store in January 2020, making these toys available worldwide. Since then, our family has dedicated a big part of our lives to this missionary work, aiming not for financial gain, but to serve God and help others understand the Orthodox Christian faith. We continue to produce and ship these educational sets globally, with each family member playing a role in the process, from creating content and making toys to quality control. Beyond the Orthodox Church building wooden block toy, we have expanded our collection to include a variety of educational sets for Orthodox families and Sunday schools. These sets encompass different aspects of our faith, such as the Orthodox Church Iconostasis Educational Set, Holy Theotokos Icon Decorating Set, Orthodox Cross Educational Set, Orthodox Wood Cross Necklace, Saint Matrona, Saint Herman of Alaska, educational sets, and more. Join us in our mission to foster a sense of community, inspire young minds, and deepen faith through education. Orthodox Toys is not just a hobby. It is a labor of love, a missionary project aimed at sharing the beauty of the Orthodox Christian faith with the world. With love in Christ, Alex, Olga, and the Goncharov family. Explore our educational products in our Etsy store at orthodoxtoys.etsy.com and visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/orthodoxtoys. Please send your feedback to alex@orthodoxtoys.com.